In this video, we will be exploring the advanced concepts in CDS views and CDS views with parameters, which will be followed by watching demo videos and doing the exercises. Coalesce function. This is a conditional expression for checking null values. It takes two parameters and it returns the first non-null value. Here's an example of coalesce function. This CDS selects data from sbook and scustom, and if the customer name is not found, the field cust_name will have not found as value, else the customer name will be assigned to this particular field. Likewise for customer.email. And here's a result of the CDS, the data preview result. View on views. This can be considered as modularization of views. So basically, instead of selecting data from the table, we can use the view as the source of another view. It can have another view as the databases, and there's no restriction on the number of layers. An example, here's the ways view, selecting data from scustom, and the view which uses the ways view as its source. Extending an existing CDS view, we can have additional table columns, case and arithmetic expressions and literals while extending views. Some things are not allowed on while extending views. Grouping and union all are not allowed. And the mandatory annotation to be used for extending view at ABAP catalog.sql view append name, and it will take up to 16 characters. Here's an example. We have the base view from scustom and the extended view. So basically with the extension, what we are doing is we are adding three more columns: the discount, email and web user. And the result after extension in data preview. Here's how it looks after extension at the dictionary level, SE11 structure. We see the original fields in black and the new fields added with the append structure in blue, the one highlighted. CDS views with input parameters. The syntax is with parameters just before the select statement and followed by parameter name and parameter type. Parameter name and parameter type are separated by colon. If there are multiple parameters, the parameter name, parameter type combination is separated by comma. All these inputs are mandatory and the parameters are separated by comma. Type with the data type. Here's an example screenshot of a CDS view when executed with data preview, how it looks with the parameter. Here's an example CDS view with parameters. The syntax to include parameter: is to use with parameters, parameter name, colon, parameter type, and if there are more than one parameter, all the parameters would be separated by comma. Here's the example CDS. Here are the parameters. We have two parameters, p country of type s underscore country and p lang of type s-pras. The parameter need to be used in the select statement either in condition or as one of the output fields. Here we're displaying the parameter country, p underscore country as country field in the CDS view, and the same is being used as one of the operands for matching conditions in the case statement. The annotation at environment.system field can be used to make certain CDS input parameters optional. Here's an example CDS view where we're using environment.system field with value system language to make the p underscore lang, which is of type s-pras, which is language, optional. The new annotation is used against p underscore lang, and the output, the screen, where what we see at the time of data preview, the p underscore lang parameter is no longer mandatory. Next section, watch the demo videos and work on exercises.